It's exciting when new patients join the practice because it's like making new friends. Our patients stay with us a long time and we really get to know them. We get to share their ups and downs, and we go through this journey of life with them.
My favorite part of meeting a new patient is always getting to know them. Me being the front desk, that's my main goal, is to learn who they are, learn their name, learn their face, so that when they come in they always feel like I'm not only the receptionist for Dr. Tom Holt's office, but I'm also their friend.
When we come to Dr. Holt's office, he's very clear about the treatment plan and what it will cost, but most of all, he's very good at explaining what the procedure is going to be.
The thing that impressed me the most about Dr. Holt was it was clear to me that he had good listening skills and that he asked lots of questions and was not in a big rush. As far as caregivers go, I thought that was a very unique approach that I hadn't often seen. So that really impressed me.
My previous dental experiences had not been good, and so I was apprehensive when I first came. But those fears were soon allayed when I found how friendly and welcoming everyone was, that it was almost like a home from home experience.
Having families that have come to us for a long time really changes how I appreciate my job and what I do every day, because it just is finding out what my friends are up to all the time. Over the years, I've learned that you have got to listen to what the patients say. So often we spend a lot of time trying to identify problems, and patients have a really good sense of what's wrong. So I always ask patients, what do you think is wrong? And if they're not right, they're at least usually on the right track, rather than trying to spend a lot of time convincing patients that they shouldn't be obsessing about the things that they're obsessing about. Rather, I like to obsess about those things with them and take that burden off of them and take care of their problems for them.
Our first appointment with Dr. Holt was an emergency procedure for our oldest daughter, and he was wonderful. We came in unannounced and he fit us right in, took care of the problem tooth, and just gave my daughter a very good sense of what going to the dentist was about.
They just made me feel like nothing bad was going to happen to me.
Dr. Holt put me at ease by giving me a schedule and kind of like a criteria for what to do within my situation, and that really put me at ease, because instead of just being all like, oh, I guess you could do this, I guess you could do that, he was like, this is what you should do, and this is what will make it feel better.
Dr. Holt is very caring with the kids. He's compassionate, so he explains stuff that as a parent I can understand, but also as my child, she understands what he's going to do prior to doing anything.
Well, you treat every patient like they are unique, because they are. Everybody is treated differently because everybody has different needs and different levels of communication that they need, or some people don't want to talk, some people want lots of information, some people you have to kind of step around a little bit because they have a lot of dental anxiety. So everybody is treated based on the uniqueness of that individual.
What I tell all my new patients is when they first come in, they get an hour with Doctor, and Doctor gets to spend the time to address any concerns or questions the patient may have.
We do a complete head and neck cancer screening. We look at all their soft tissues, we look at all their hard tissues. We talk about their dental history, we talk about their general health. We go over all the things that are contributing to their potential health risks and dental health risks. We work with the patient to come up with a treatment plan that's going to work for them. And a big part of it is financial. Dentistry is expensive, and people have different requirements, and people have different aesthetic needs. And so it's really important to listen to patients and know what they need, explain to them what they're dealing with when it comes to problems, and help them build a plan that isn't intimidating so they can get to where they want to be. Dr. Tom Holt Family Dentistry is involved in the community, and the community knows that. Schools and agencies know that they can come to us when they have help or when they have questions that have to do with dentistry.
If a child at a school has a dental problem, then the school can call the office and we'll see that child if they don't have a regular dentist.
I want my patients to know that they're part of our family and that we really care about them. They can trust us and they can depend on us, and they really are here to help them.
They're generous,
Attentive, kind, and friendly.
calm, caring, and fun.
And knowledgeable.